What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP, and I'm coming to you with another how-to. This is a 2012 Dodge Ram 2500, big old dually truck, and we're gonna show you how to take this radio out. So first, we want to come up here and remove that joker right there, and we have two T20. Is it T20 or T25? I'm pretty sure it's a T25. I'm actually using a T20, so it's gonna work. But regardless, you want to take these two out. Now, after we take those two out, we want to grab right here, just pull it towards the front, and boom. Sometimes, man, this stuff is just getting easy. I like these years of cars to where it's just two screws, bow. Now we just got a 1, 2, 3, and 4 7mm, and we'll have that radio out, guys. Alright, y'all, so with those 4 screws out, we were able to take the radio out. Now, we do come to a small bit of a problem because this will not fit. So what we want to do is we need to make some slight modifications. I'm gonna go ahead and cut right here and take that plastic part off, take that off. I'm gonna cut right here and take that off, and then I'm also gonna do like a little diagonal cut and take this bottom part of the bar out. Now, if you can take this whole thing out, that's good, but do notice that this little piece that's right here on this side is actually connected to this metal part that's down here below. So I'm pretty sure that I should be able to just cut right there and right there on that side, and we should be good. Alright, guys, so you see how we fitting real good now? That's because I went on ahead and I told you I cut that part out, came across the back, cut that out too, just to where it's like flat on the edge. Now, I cut this part down and it didn't release for me even after I took the screws out, but I was able to push this down, which gave me a little bit more room, and I came up on the top and cut diagonal on that bar as well, and I was able to take that out once I took this screw out. And then so now we're perfect, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing wired up and get the dash kit on, and I'll show you what it looks like here in a second. Alright, guys, so that's what it looks like right now, man. If you guys found any value in this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, and hit that notification. Now, I know what you're thinking. I didn't actually go over how to wire up the radio or anything like that. Well, in order to make these videos as short, sweet, and efficient as possible for you guys, I actually made one video on how to wire up a radio, and it is in that corner. So if you want to see that one, just go ahead and hit that card over there so you can watch that video. And other than that, all the links will be in the description, the dash kit, the radio, the wire harness, all that good stuff. Until next time, it's your boy JP signing out, baby. I'll catch y'all at the next car.